Hello, my people. Here we are in lesson 2.3, learning more about past climate changes. So, in our previous lesson, we read that article, Past Climate Changes on Earth, where we got to learn about how the Earth has been a lot hotter and a lot cooler in the past. And today we're going to do a little bit more of that. So, the first thing we're going to do is start with our warm up. And Earth's current climate is changing. Yes, we have learned that. But there have been other times in Earth's history where the climate has changed as well. During some of these times in the past, more energy entered than exited, which would mean if we've got more energy coming out than going, we're getting warmer or getting hotter. Explain how this affected energy absorbed by the surface and temperature by making the choices. If more energy enters than exits the Earth system, energy absorbed by the surface would, so we have more energy in than is coming out, we would say that would increase, causing global average temperatures to increase. Let's push that hand in button. So, peeps, I would like you to reread this article. Super fascinating article. Talks about the fact that there have been times like alligators living in the Arctic. There's been times when the Earth was basically a big, giant snowball here in the cryogenian period. Scientists aren't sure why, if you read through this article, but one of the common theories, like for snowball Earth, would be that less energy was absorbed by the Earth system than exited. In other words, more was leaving the Earth than was exiting. So reread this really fascinating article, and then let's answer these questions down below. So you're going to say what happens when more energy enters the Earth's system. So what happens to those temperatures? This one, do carbon dioxide and methane affect energy? Do they affect it entering, or do they affect it exiting? And the answer, unfortunately for us on the planet, is that it is the energy exiting. So it acts, carbon dioxide and methane act as kind of like a one-way valve. They let energy in, but not energy out. Okay? So I'll let you put that in your own words, push that hand in button, pause the video when you need to, and let's do part 3. So for part 3, it's another modeling tool. You'll just click the carbon dioxide modeling tool button here. That should take you over to this. And you get to pick either carbon dioxide or methane. And you're just going to drag it over. And if you want to get rid of it, like let's say you put it in the wrong spot, you can just drag it off and make it go away. Okay, so this is what it should look like when we start. So we can see we've got less surface size, more surface size. So we can tell that it got hotter. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to show why temperature increases when the amount of carbon dioxide or methane is in the atmosphere. The way we're going to do that is with this little energy in and energy out. Notice they're both equal. They're both the same size. Well, let's see. Where's our energy at? Oh, right at the top, we've got our choices of energy. So the first thing we should do, I think, is pick either methane or carbon dioxide. Which one do you want to do? Yeah, I want to do cow farts too. So let's do, oh, rats. It went away. Let's try it again. Okay, got my methane. So we want to increase the temperature. So we take our methane and we get it to, from the medium, instead of the medium, we're going to do the high. Right, so we've got higher levels of methane. And what's happening is we're having less energy. Whoops, that's the wrong one, isn't it? We're having more energy entering than is able to leave. And that's what this methane can do. Once you get done with that, you're going to take that screenshot, upload it here, and the best you can, in your own words, explain explain what your model is showing. This part right over here. What is this model trying to demonstrate with either your cow fart or your carbon dioxide? And then we are going to go right back here. So you might have some questions that are already answered here, but this is your time to go back and see your answers to previous questions, and then make any changes that you think are necessary. So, like, there have been times in the past when the Earth's climate was very different. Do you currently agree or disagree with this claim? Have your views changed throughout the unit? Describe the evidence you would to support your current thing. So really, this questioning is kind of getting you down to, um, what do you believe, you know, um, as far as your own personal beliefs. Um, no real right or wrong answers on this one. So friends, when you're done, don't forget to put that hand in button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and remember to be nice.